Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat in a portfolio review meeting where everything looked under control, but nothing actually moved forward? 2 hours, dozens of slides, plenty of updates, and still no real decisions. That's not a meeting problem, that's a design problem. Most portfolio reviews are built around visibility. Status reports, dashboards, red, yellow, green indicators, budget tracking, and tools like Power BI or Tableau make this even easier. You can build beautiful dashboards. You can show everything. But here's the issue. Visibility does not create progress. Executives don't need more information. They need clarity on where to act. And most portfolio reviews fail because they confuse those two things. A strong portfolio review is not a reporting session. It is a decision-making system. If no decisions are made, the meeting failed, no matter how good the data looked. So the question becomes, how do you design a portfolio review that actually drives decisions? The shift is simple, but powerful. You stop organizing the meeting around projects, and you start organizing it around decisions. Instead of reviewing everything, you focus only on what requires executive attention. In practice, that means reducing the entire portfolio to 3 to 5 key initiatives, not 50, not 20, just the ones that need action now. And every discussion is framed by 3 questions. 1. What decisions are needed today? Not updates, not explanations, decisions. If you don't need a decision, it doesn't belong in the meeting. 2. What is blocking progress? This is where most teams hide problems: dependencies, resource constraints, conflicts between priorities. If it's not surfaced here, it will delay the program later. 3. What are we saying no to? This is the most important and most ignored question. Every organization is overloaded. If everything is a priority, nothing is. Portfolio reviews must force trade-offs. Here's how this works in practice. You still use dashboards. You still use tools, but not as the meeting itself. They become pre-read material. Executives review status before the meeting. The meeting is reserved for decisions. The proposed structure: 45 minutes total. 1-page summary. 3 to 5 initiatives only. Each initiative gets the decision needed, the blocking issue, the trade off, or no. That's it. No deep dives unless required. No walking through slides. If a topic doesn't require action, it moves offline. Something interesting happens when you run meetings this way. Executives start showing up differently. They prepare, they engage, they decide. Because now the meeting respects their time. There are 3 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Trying to include everything. More information does not mean better decisions. 2. Turning dashboards into the meeting. Tools support decisions, they don't replace them. 3. Avoiding trade-offs. If you're not saying no, you're not managing a portfolio. At the end of the day, portfolio reviews are not about control. They are about movement. The goal is not to prove that things are on track. The goal is to make sure the right things move forward, faster. So next time you prepare a portfolio review, ask yourself, are you reporting status or driving decisions? Because the difference between those two is the difference between activity and impact. I'm Wilson Garcia, and this is the Execution Gap. I'll see you in the next video.